Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you the correct way to upgrade your road in Fish It. So most players lose thousands of coins by upgrading in the wrong order or at the wrong time. So here I'm going to break down the math so you can maximize your profit and catch the rarest fish faster. So I'm going to show you the list of my road purchase in here. So for the once you enter Fish It for the first time, you'll get the starter road with zero luck and speed, but this is the default. And after that you can just farm coins and you'll get the lava road in here on the Kohana Island. Okay, you can just saving up using this. And here after that I bought the carbon road, and not long after that I got this grass road in here, but it's not long. I play with this grass road, and after that I saving up to buy this midnight road. So for the midnight road you can also buy the midnight bait, the bobber. And after that again I save up to get this steampunk road. This is you can get 2 to 5% luck and with a 90% speed on your fishing using the steampunk road. So I use this a lot to get an epic or legendary fish. And after that I got this Astar road. After I got the steampunk, I bought this one. So I skipped the hazmat road. I just bought this one in here because it's got 80% luck with a 43% speed. And I also do the Lost Isle, the Sisyphus statue mission using this Astar road, and get the secret fish using also this one. And after that I got this ghost fin road for finishing the deep sea quest. So now I currently use this one. So for me the most worth one is RR, is the Simpang road, and also the Astra road. So that's the order to the best purchase in Fish It. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you, so don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.